Okay, we're at the part where you're supposed to untie the rope, two ends. They come together, form a knot. So when you get to that point where you got your cleats holding your flag to the line, this is the side where I want you to tie a loop knot. I don't know if that's what it's called, but it's a really easy knot. Just make a loop like this and just tie a knot. Doesn't work the first time. This is what it should look like on the end. Just a regular loop knot. Okay, now we got that done. Now we're gonna attach flag hero to the pulley here. Doesn't matter which way you put it through. The other end will go better there through the pulley. Make sure your lines are straight. And what you're gonna do with this loop here that we recreated, you're gonna run this end of the rope through that hole, that ring loop. And what's that gonna do is that we're gonna attach this to the bottom of the cleat of the flagpole, and we're gonna make the line tight by pulling down on through the loop there. And we were trying to get this the right tension on the line here, so you don't want the line to be really tight or too loose. And this is the best way to do it. Make sure it's untangled here, and then just keep pulling it down until you feel a good tension on the line. You can roll it a lot easier. And right there at that point, right there, it feels good. You can slide it up and down, no problem. You get a marker or a pen, you should have in your pocket already. And you're going to mark the top of that line. So all you do then is come down, unhook it right down there, unloosen that line, and come up to that line, part of the line where you got a mark on it. And all you have to do is just tie a knot, hold that together, and just tie a regular knot. No fancy knots. If you know fancy knots, go ahead and do a fancy knot. We're just showing you the easiest way of connecting Flag Hero to your flagpole. And we're just gonna double that line up, double that knot, make it secured. Okay, now you could lower your Flag Hero, pull it down here by the spring, below the spring, and wrap it around the cleat there. And now your Flag Hero device is connected. You can raise this rope up and down with ease. Now the next step is going to be putting the flag on. All right, we got to the point where we're supposed to have the flag attached to the flagpole line, and now we're ready to raise the flag all the way up to the top of the mast. The easiest and fastest way raising the flag on the flagpole. Thank you.